Hey, sister girls. How's your day going today? Mine is going fabulous. It's sunny outside. I am home with my son right now. We're working in our home office, and I just wanted to take a second and kind of introduce myself and what my business is all about. My name is Marina. My business is Money Coming In, and I have different opportunities stemming from this hub. For example, I specialize in entrepreneurial opportunities. So I teach people how to get out of that 9 to 5 job so that they can start their own business and have the freedom to choose how they're spending their time. You're not trading your time for money anymore. And that's the most important thing for me, is having financial freedom and the freedom to choose how I'm spending my time. That's my son in the background. Like I said, he's here with me. But that's pretty much what our business does. So I represent Mary Kay. I'm an independent beauty consultant, and so I sell their products, and I also have people that market under my name, and I do doTERRA, which is essential oils and some other products, but it's all organic. And so that's kind of the same thing as Mary Kay. So I'm selling products for profit, and I'm having people become distributors under me. I also have some other digital content, like book scouting, for example. So that's a way for you to have multiple incomes. You can make one thing your full-time gig. So there's, like I said, I specialize in opportunities for you to become your own boss, and I'm here to always give you the most up-to-date information. And so I just wanted to thank you for stopping in, visiting the site. Be sure to go through and look at everything. If you're not sure about something, feel free to reach out through the phone number, email, anything and everything. We always will get back to you. We definitely want to help you fulfill your dreams and your needs. Maybe you need to stay at home with your kids. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you just don't want to clock in anymore. That gets old. So whatever it is, we are here to help. Like I said, be sure to visit the site, click the links, and go about your business. And I really hope that I can help you get started on your own path like I've done. I appreciate your time. I hope you have a blessed day.